Ariana here. It is day 3 of Inktober and I am still going strong. I'm actually pretty shocked that I've made it to day 3 and I'm still recording. So I definitely do plan on sticking it through 30 days. So let's hope I do. So today's prompt, day 3, is roasted, and this one kind of got me stumped. I was pretty stuck for a while, but then I finally decided on a roasted coffee bean. And if you've watched my prior videos, then you'll know that what I'm doing for the Inktober is I'm creating wine labels. So I'm doing a series of wine labels based off of the Inktober prompts. And if you don't know about Inktober, it is a prompt list created by Jake Ryan. He created it back in 2009, this project. He created it for himself, actually, just to practice his drawing. And then really it just blew up on social media and people joined in. And it's such a great way to practice your drawing skills, get out of your creative rut, whatever it may be. Prompts are always a great start. So I'm using these prompts again to make a series of wine labels. So by the end of the month, I'll have 31 wine labels. That's what I'm hoping for. And the reason I chose wine labels was just because I've been wanting to design wine labels, but I couldn't think of like any names for the wine. So I was like, oh, this is perfect because it already gives me the name sort of. Or if I don't like the name of the prompt, I can just come up with my own name based off of the prompt. So this one, I thought of coffee, and then I was like, ooh, I wonder if there's coffee flavored wine. How weird would that taste? If there is, let me know. I kind of want to taste it. So you know the quote, but first coffee. Instead I thought of like a pun type of thing. So, but first serving the roast. So kind of like a burn. And then you'll see on the bottom, I put 13.8% burn instead of 13.8% alcohol. So it's just kind of like play on words. And then for the background, I did the buffalo plaid just to make it look like a cozy fall looking type of wine label. But yeah, I'll link down what pens I used for this one. I only used 3 pens. So I'm limiting down like what pens I'm using. I'm figuring out which ones I really enjoy. And then I'm also figuring out which ones I want to practice with. But yeah, let me know what you think of the series so far. Thanks so much for watching so far. I'm going to turn on the music now. Again, thank you and happy arting or crafting. Bye.